admission for various professional courses which would be made available from 17th of May till 24th of May, which would be the last date for submission of this application. This can be submitted either at the Directorate office or at the Ravindra Bhavan in Margao. Two locations has been given for the convenience of the student for submission of the application. And application will not be obviously accepted beyond 24th of May. So it is requested that all the candidates who are seeking admission for these professional courses kindly submit their application form well within the time frame which has been given, that is 24th of May. And the maximum mark which has been secured is 70. And similarly for chemistry, 3,408 candidates registered and 3,253 appeared, and maximum marks secured was 69. In case of mathematics, 2,696 candidates registered, out of which 2,568 appeared, and the maximum marks secured was 72.
सरकारान शिरोडेच्या रायेश्वर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंजिनियरिंग अँड इन्फॉर्मेशनाक बी इलेक्ट्रिकल अँड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आणि बी मेकॅनिकल कोर्साक मान्यताय दिली.
One college from Shiroda, they have been given NOC by state government for adding two courses, B electrical and electronics and B mechanical. It is of course subject to approval by AICT. Rahul Institute. It is further subject to approval by AICT, All India Council, and affiliating university, Goa University. So if all these approvals are in place before the admission rounds 1, 2, 3, we'll take up for.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि शिरीष कुंकळेकार.